Hungry face, fix him out. Fix him out, Ty.
What time you start? About 5?
Happy birthday to you, yes. Look at the birthday boy, say hello. And I guess it's her birthday too, she wearing her birthday dress. Sarah, say hello.
Hello.
You guys can't see me properly, near is dark. Look at my hair. Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I haven't picked up the camera in a while, but since today is a special day, I have to pick it up. It's my birthday and I wanted to vlog from this morning and bring the camera with me, but I was so busy I didn't get a chance to. I am in work attire, as you guys can see. I went to work at 7 this morning, I break at 11, and I'll be going back to work at 5. I work at 2 different branches of the same hotel, and this one that I'm at today, I work there for 2 days of the week. And the hours there is a bit strange. You work from 7 to 11 and then from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. So that's where I'm at today, unfortunately, and that's where I'll be for Tyler's birthday, but I make it work. So on my pause now, out with Babe, took him out for lunch because I have to do something during my pause because I'll be home at night and when birthday is wrapping up. So out to have lunch with the Bam Bam and the birthday boy. Turned 36 today. Happy birthday, my darling husband. I know my headache, but you're the bestie. You're the bestest husband. Hope you live to see many more birthdays and you live until forever. Okay? Say happy birthday to Papa. Betsy's. Say happy birthday to Papa and don't do that.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Sarah, say happy birthday to Papa.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Voilà, Happy.
Je mange ça avec le pain. Ok, merci beaucoup. Look at the food. This is rice. This is a mixture of different things. So we're at a Delaveaus restaurant, and of course the kids are having fries. The menu never change. And Babe is having. What are you having over there?
It's a poshish is
Chickpeas.
chickpeas.
Okay. And Tella is having fries. Spoon. Because it's hard to do one spoon with everything. I'm gonna put the same spoon in the rice and this and this and this and this. What
Yes.
Let's look at parsley. Bread. Chickpeas. Ketchup. There's no ketchup on here. Look at fries. Going over there. Birthday lunch. So just to show you guys where we ate, this is the restaurant La Sacrée, and it is just beside this church right here. It tastes really good. So it's a Lebanese restaurant right into center town. Lunch is done and we're heading home. So a nice little mark for where the restaurant is. It's at the church. Church is there, restaurant is there. Please, Papa.
Oui, non.
Come, Tyler, come.
I want to fly.
That's fine. Leave it. Come, see a surprise. Go give Papa. Come, this one is for you.
C'est un bateau ou c'est un pirate ou c'est un moto?
Moto.
Here, Sarah.
C'est le bateau.
Allez, je prends les tags. Sarah, wait! The size look good, no? Sarah, no! His papa have to pull it.
The color nice.
The color nice and the size nice. But I need you to try them ASAP.
Okay,
So you
try
carry
them.
back so make sure you get the good size before this color finish because it's going so fast this color. Wait, take the one Sarah have. Because Sarah pulling. Sarah pulling Papa G.
Can I pull this one?
The size look okay. No, don't pull it.
What is?
So, honey.
This one. Nana, can you come here?
No, I'm not telling you what to put.
Petit.
You like it?
Papa, il pas tout les papas.
Ok, tu fais un bisou à papa? Et pourquoi t'as pas fait un dessin pour papa? T'as fait un dessin pour papa? Un bateau?
Toute la semaine, alors on ne pouvait pas.
Oh, alors on ne pouvait pas. Et le soir, tu finis à quelle heure?
C'est ça, toy.
No, it's not a toy.
Allez, jouer ça.
Here, hot on to the AC.
Black Dicker, c'est ça, toy.
Black et Dick. Non, ça c'est le vrai Black et Dick.
Maman.
Oh, wait, it's the same brand as the box.
It's similar. It's like this one is like it's like the copy. Because this is
No,
the
the
famous
box that we have, the toolbox.
one. No. Magnus
Oh.
for the box. The
Oh,
outside.
that's why
box.
Tyler says a toy. No, it's not a toy. I get Papa electric drill and some clothes.
Et qu'est-ce qu'on dit, papa?
Vas-y, merci mon amour.
Qu'est-ce qu'on dit,
He's
maman?
fascinated by this one.
Oh, because I'm
Welcome, my
looking.
love.
There's two things I don't know if you do both.
What? He do a lot of things. The guy who I
I know
spoke
it
to.
pierce.
It pierce, it knock, it screw, and it
Oh,
have
it do the
multiple.
screw too?
Yes,
Okay.
it have multiple. Look, it have 80 different thing in it,
Okay.
and that's the battery. That's the charger.
Maman,
Mm.
let me
Oui.
pick.
Thank you.
Maman.
You guys, we're gonna
Sarah?
cut the cake, but we need to get some rice.
Come.
first, so we'll come back with the cake cutting later.
I love you.
Everybody gonna take a nap. Come, take your undies. Nana for Papa.
Maman, I want to watch a little bit.
We'll watch after nap, okay? Come, let's go take nap, and then you will. Whenever you wake up from nap, Mama will go to work, so you tell Papa to let you watch your tablets, okay? Turn off the camera. Okay, you guys, it's only me. Came home, celebrated a bit with babe, got 20 minutes, little close eye in, and now I'm back off to work again. Anyway, hopefully I'll get to film later when we are cutting babe's cake. We decide to do it later when I get back home. So I'm off to work, you guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Everybody's taking a nap, so I'm sneaking out the house before I hear somebody shout mama. So I'll catch you guys later. You guys, I'm back from work. I'm getting right into it. I did not buy any candles for my husband. So he'll be 5 years old today. So he's using a number 5 candle. Sarah, look at the cake. Come, let's sing for Papa. Papa go around here, so. Tyler, come please and stop.
Go in the other side. I don't want you in my side. I don't want you in my side. You're not nice enough to be in my side. Go in the other side. It's only birthday man in this side, and in the other side is the garbage man. It's birthday man, garbage man.
Move the balloon,
And
babe.
for this, my
Tyler,
birthday.
I'm serious.
Stand
I
on the
want you
chair.
in my side.
Let Tyler
Why you
stay right
stubborn?
here. Hey, ready? No, Sarah. Sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Papa. Happy birthday to you. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire, Papa. Joyeux anniversaire. Allez, go
Okay,
before
that's
Sarah blow it
third
out.
language.
Babe, they're gonna blow it out for you.
I didn't make a wish.
Mama,
Yeah. Blow, Sarah, blow.
Blow, 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 blow.
Mama, let's make a candle first. Let's make a first.
Honey, don't catch up her hair at the back unless she's wearing a hat.
Okay.
Catch up her hair at the top.
Mama, I'm going to put on my pirate.
Which pirate?
I think I am going.
Where's the big knife?
Yeah, you see, I'm smarter than my little son.
Mama,
Anyway, I'm just here for the cake. That's it. Give me some plates, please. Look if you got some disposable. That's fine, just give me some plate. None? What you want? You want the chocolate? Yeah. Give me 2 plates for the kids. Cake time at 9:30 in the night. There's no more little ones?
Like
Patara?
this?
Yeah.
No. Oh, yes. Share.
Share with Papa. Sarah! She don't get none!
She put
What does the girl
everything
mean?
as fast as she could.
Papa? Why? That's not nice. You have to share.
Apple juice is fine.
Mama,
I'm so sad, Sarah. You make Papa so
Sorry, I
sad.
make Papa sad.
So sad.
Baby, answer no!
Not even 1 centimeter.
I'm gonna eat this and be satisfied.
Merci.
I want chocolate. When it's there, I'm gonna share on chocolate. I'm going
Mama, can I have?
Yes, you can
Go.
have yours.
Alright, birthday boy. The last lap of the birthday. How was it?
That was good.
Baby didn't even show you guys his gifts.
They are very personal.
They're very personal, he says.
Private.
I want juice.
That's all you asked for something?
They have juice with Mama.
You didn't give her no juice, honey?
No, I'm about.
Anyway, guys. Honestly, I'm gonna end the vlog right now because if I don't, I won't come and end the vlog. Say thank you to everybody because I know they're gonna send me all the love.
Everybody, all the messages that I receive. I can't thank you personally one by one. I will try, but for now, I thank you everybody that sent me a message. It means a lot for me. Thank you.
Alright, you guys. wrapping up the little birthday vlog for babe. Hope you guys enjoyed the little special moments. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch the fam bam. I have work 7 o'clock in the morning, so I'm out. See you guys tomorrow.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, 'cause